Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name CUTTED ball based on a sphere with many cuts. We start by creating the sphere with this diameter 35.6. New standard millimeters IPT, XY sketch, and a circle with diameter of 35.6. We draw a vertical line. I want to be diameter, but is nothing. Is a chord only. So I must make coincident these two. Trim this half of the circle, make this center line, and apply revolve. Okay. Now we see that we have a cut here of 31 and another cut here. This means this one, this with this. Yes, if you project here and you project here, you find the other 31. We select the plane XY, F7, then a rectangle 2-point center. This is 31 and the other is equal to 31. You see, this is a square. We have to project the circle, finish sketch, extrude. We cut this area, these 4 areas, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. We see that there is a hole here without diameter. Why? Because this face is a circle. Good. Let's apply extrude. You see, I don't create a sketch. I apply extrude, I select this, finish sketch, and now extrude. Cut all the way down. Okay. Now I want to use this diameter. This is why I create a sketch in the plane XY. New sketch, F7. I have to project the 2 generators. This diameter is driven dimension. We go to manage, parameters, and we find this dimension here. Yes, I give it a name, circle. Then I hide this sketch. Then I apply this countersink. with dimensions diameter of 8, angle of 19, and without this dimension. This means that we'll use the parameter circle here. Let's do this. We apply hole with solution countersink. We place here the parameter circle with the major letters, circle, and diameter of 8 placed on this face with this center and to this end. Okay, you see, I used the circle with the same diameter like here. Next are the cuts to create these dimensions and these dimensions. Note what are the values of dimensions, I don't repeat them, and we use the plane YZ with the F7 to see inside. I draw lines here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is aligned with the upper one, and outside I project this circle and I go to the other end with a rectangle, as you can see. Now I place on the same horizontal, which is vertical, this point and this point. Also this midpoint with this midpoint, this center point. Then I apply tangent here. Dimensions to these are very simple, 9 and 12.9. The other must be trimmed, the two ends, and dimensions 5.2, 15.5, it is almost the value, 15.5, and the last, I hope the last, 16.9. We still have a missing dimension. I don't know what. Apply parallel this line with this line. Okay, I cannot remove this because it is a constraint. Okay, now we can apply extrude. Finish sketch, extrude this area and this area, symmetrical all the way, cut, you see? Okay, good. All we have to create now are these two fillets, my friends. Dimension is radius 0.5 for both. Fillet 0.5 on both edges. Okay, now I think we finished the part, so let's see what is the volume. Physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same, only few decimals are the difference. I keep the new value because this is what we did here. I go to material, stainless steel, and the light. I eliminate the edges and I select the default light. This is the new part, and we can compare with the other one. You don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.